Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll just be showing you the benefits of the turmeric cinnamon soap. You could pause this part if you want to read it. Alright, so I have here 1 pound of shea butter melt and pour soap base, turmeric and cinnamon powder, essential oils, heat resistant cup and or silicone mold. I'll just be cutting this soap base in smaller sizes so it will melt quicker. I will be doing the double boiler method, which is what you're seeing here. I'm just covering the cup with foil paper so it will trap the heat and melt quicker. Yes, guys, I was being so impatient. While it's melting, I'm just sanitizing my silicone mold with some rubbing alcohol. I ended up adding the rest of the soap base to the already melted soap base, but definitely add it sooner so it won't take that long. Mine took a little while because it took too long to put it in. I'm using a strainer because I don't want any lumps in this mixture. At this point, you do have to do everything quickly after this because it starts to solidify immediately. What you want to do after this is just set it aside overnight, or you could set it, or you could just leave it for several hours, like 8 or more hours. I'm just creating my labels. Everything is listed below, guys. You can also put the specific ingredients on the downside of the label. You can purchase longer strings if you want to. What I had to do with mine is add 2 more strings to be able to give it that gift type of look that I wanted. So now you'll just pull the sides to check if it's ready. We're doing a little sud test right here. I'm just showing you how it suds well. And here we have it, guys. It's so simple and cute as a holiday gift for friends and families. They would love this if they're into this type of stuff, of course. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I truly appreciate you. Do remember to subscribe so you can see more of these videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know in the comment section if you're gonna try this as a gift for the holidays. Peace and love, guys. Take care.